Tom is CEO of an international manufacturing company. When running a competitive analysis, he discovers that his top-selling product line has fallen off the charts in sales and is now 15% more expensive than the competitive product. Tom instructs the product manager, Bob, to get to the bottom of this matter. He wants to know what can be done with his former top-selling product to make it more competitive, and he wants a solution as soon as possible. So Bob, together with the controller, set out to analyze the cost structure and forecasts for the former top-selling product. It turns out it is not as easy as it sounds, with information scattered around the company in spreadsheets and various ERP and PLM systems. Many times, the information was in different file formats and languages. It was a mess. Bob consults the sales department to get a view of the quoting process. Since every sales rep calculates costs using spreadsheets, filled with assumptions and macros, it became apparent that the underlying cost structure was not transparent. No wonder their top-selling product vanished from the charts and was losing business they should have won. Together with Jim from purchasing, Bob tries to understand the cost development for purchase parts. Nearly impossible to piece together, since supplier quotes were stored in spreadsheets on the laptops of purchasing agents. At the same time, Bob attempts to discuss alternative versions of the product, for example using alternative materials, or a different production process with Frank from engineering development. However, the what-if scenarios and alternative versions are very difficult to develop since machine costs and production times are not readily available. Missing data and a lack of transparency make it all but impossible for Bob to identify a valid approach to move their traditionally best-selling product back on top of the sales leaderboard. He needs help. The answer is Enterprise Product Costing, EPC software from FACTON. The EPC system enables all departments to maintain master data and work on the same cost calculation at the same time, from one central database. This means that all costing information is standardized and available to everyone, even executive management, with real-time reporting. The team simulates and analyzes alternative product versions on the basis of unified data. In conjunction with system-integrated benchmark data, they identify potential technical and economic savings. Bob and his team have done it. Thanks to FACTON EPC, they are able to show a cost reduction of 20%, which even exceeds their target margin. You too can become more profitable, more flexible, and more competitive with FACTON EPC.